5, 4, 3, 2, 1, fire!
In this week's news, the high school field trip to see the Great Gatsby at Tinseltown is today! Tomorrow, there's an 8th grade field trip to Islands of Adventures. There's a field trip for juniors and seniors to Flagler and UCF, also tomorrow. Guess what, 7th graders? You have a field trip to the zoo coming up Thursday, May 23rd. 6th graders, the field trip to the Tinseltown, movies, lunch, and the park is on Friday, May 24th. Senior Quad is having a field trip to Taco Lou and the beach for $8, Friday, May 24th. The 9th graders are having a field trip to St. Augustine. Make sure y'all bring lunch. It's $8 on Friday, May 24th. Congrats, the talent show winners! First place, we have William Bell and Savannah Mitchell. Second place is Joe Boswell. And third place, Jesse. Woo! Yo guys, we've got some more news for you. The geometry EOC tests are going to be throughout the week, May 20th and the 24th. Good luck, guys! Wednesday is an early